you can wait for your glasses to be ready within 15 minutes. Basta pag blurred yung vision niya, may konting headache, and napapagod, mabilis yung mata niya, definitely they need glasses.
Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Wherein Pampanga.
Yeah, so for today's vlog, narinig ko, meron tayong eye free check-up na pupuntahan na store ngayon. Ako, personally, kailangan ko.
Alam naman natin, nagkakaedad na tayo. And syempre, pag nagtatrabaho tayo sa bahay, minsan sumasakit din yung mga mata natin. So, right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa RK Eye Clinic, which is located dito po sa may Angeles City. And makukusap natin si Doc Catherine.
Yes.
And ayun, magpapacheck up na rin tayo dito.
Yes, it's free naman. And sulitin na rin natin, syempre, para malaman natin kung ano ba yung mga problems natin, ano ba yung mga good and bad sa pag-aalaga natin yung mga mata.
Yes, sir. So, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go.
My name is Dr. Catherine Fernandez Ramos, an optometrist here in RK Eye Clinic and Optical. Totally, I am practicing for 26 years now. The number one vision ko is to help people with their vision. And then, also to pursue the dream of my late husband. Wala na siya, so itutuloy ko yung pangarap niya by serving people, serving God. And through the clinic, maraming mabibless dito. Kasi if you can see, the caption of our clinic is seeing God's glory in every glance. So not just the vision. Gusto ko maging part itong clinic na makikita nila yung glory ng Panginoon sa bawat paningin nila. Every time they will wear the glasses na galing dito or any vision devices na galing dito, maaalala nila because of God's glory. Our services, since this is an optical, so ang focus namin is for refraction. Yung pag-check ng mata, ng grado ng mata ng tao, kung kailangan niya ng glasses or contact lenses. Glasses is the essential na kailangan niya to see clearly, di ba? Contact lenses naman, pwedeng dahil sobrang taas ng grado niya, makapal na yung glasses. Minsan, merong okasyon na hindi bagay mag-glasses. So, we suggest wear contact lenses. Ganon, no? Like sports, occasions, wedding, ganon, mga pageant, ganon. Other services namin na hindi common sa iba, kahit nandito kami sa labas ng mall, you can wait for your glasses to be ready within 15 minutes. Usually kasi pag yung nasa labas ng mall, wala pa silang laboratory or yung pagkakat ng lenses within the clinic. So, magbabalik sila the other day or after 2 days, ganun. So, dito they can wait na, 15. O kaya merong mga pasyente na pupunta dito, they have their own frame. Gusto nila, gamitin pa rin yung frame na yon. So, you-order namin yung lenses. Sabi namin, ma'am, it will take about 5 days. Also, wala akong gagamitin na glasses while waiting for the order. Sabi, you can bring home your glasses pa rin. And then, pag ready na yung glasses, balik kayo dito. Just wait for 15 minutes. Kakat namin yung lenses. Then, i-fit dun sa frame ninyo. So, check natin yung vision. Kung hindi niya kailangan ng vision, we will suggest some devices or yung visual devices na makakatulong dun sa complaint niya. Probably kailangan lang niya ng protection glasses para doon sa harmful blue lights ng gadgets or yung computer kasi nakatutok siya doon. Usually 8 hours yan na nakaupo. This is the autorefractometer. So ito yung computerized eye checkup natin. Okay. And this is the PD meter. Nakikita yung centers ng mata natin, which is very important pag ginawa yung glasses, yung lens, para accurate lang. Then after here, so itatapat ko ito sa mata ng pasyente. Dito siya titingin, papunta doon sa papabasa ko sa kanya. And then, I will operate here, dito, sa refractometer na to. Sila yung partner. Okay? And this one, digital lens meter. Lens meter is, for example, may dating glasses yung pasyente. Titingnan ko muna dito. Kasi usually, ang tanong nila after the checkup, tumaas po ba? Nagbago po ba? From your old glasses, after yung test natin ngayon, tumaas siya. Dati pa rin. Parang ganun. It's very important kasi yun yung tanong ng pasyente. More on, computerized na. You don't have to go near to the patient just to put the lenses kasi. And you can change the targets. Unlike nung traditional chart natin na sometimes we can memorize the 20/20 line, diba? With this one, I can change it. every 20 minutes, kailangan nilang mag-stop for 20 seconds and look at 20 feet away. Huwag silang mag-focus, huwag silang tumitig sa mga bagay na malapit sa kanila to rest the eyes. Ganon. So, we recommend na at the end of the day, bago ka maligo, hugasan mo rin yung glasses mo. As a part of my service, kasi nga diba, one of the visions ng RKI Clinic is to serve people. And nagdadalong isip ang mga tao, babalik na naman ako doon, 3 months pa lang, mababayad ako. No, it's free. Kasi imo-monitor lang eh. Walang masyadong effort. And I'm happy to see them again and again and again. Mag-explain ako sa kanila, tatanungin nila kung anong gusto nilang itanong. Our business hours from 10 a.m. to 5:30 during Monday up to Friday. And then Saturdays naman, 10 a.m. up to 5 o'clock. They can message us sa aming Facebook page, RKI Clinic and Optical, if they really want to set an appointment para hindi sila maghintay.